Yo, me put them on Buckley. Bring it, get to youth, yeah.
Yo, this is that along.
Put you in the face of the camera.
Tell the story of the youth, boy.
You see? It's like I'm eat already. I'm hungry, right? I'm hungry. I just step up myself and put it into youth, yeah. Because then I'm not mourners.
Yeah, what is name? This name fucking TV.
No, this name the 30 grand fart.
Yeah.
Because the night I'm going to sleep. I'm hungry and I'm just have to put on shit and that. Come on.
Yo, a beer spit, man. A beer spit.
Yeah, you can want to spit.
Can you want to spit beer spit over there, man?
Man, come here.
Nah, you see. That's what I'm just shh. I'm continue the story. I always want to tell us.
See that? Farting that mouth. Yo, that guy farting that mouth.
Yo, and I'm over face you.
My shirt I kill the sin.
Can you throw that all like
Smell
that?
my shirt.
You sure that you
Smell my
can
shirt.
kill it?
Yeah. We're out, isn't it?
You, my life last. My bottom that smell the face you. No, set my bottom that they more youth and all.
What's the Yo, I can't this look.
Yo, well, set my bottom.
I can't spoil you with them. I like the you one body wash.
That's my bottom that smell the mouth and I'm force it on our shit.
See ya in your car, there's a bit.
Kyle Long.
Alkaline influence him.
Has mad silky, you see me?
The car,
You must say me mad silky and nerd silky every day.
alkaline influence him, there's a bit.
Look for him, look.
That's my $60 for all of the man them love triangle everything.
Yeah. All the man want to birthdays about you wash.
No man, we don't have to wash it.